Hello, everyone. Welcome to Sharia's channel. Today, I will share you how to clear DNS cache on Chrome, Edge, Firefox, and Windows. I will display them one by one. First, let's move to the Clear DNS Cache on Chrome browser. Open the Google Chrome browser. Type the related URL in the address bar to access the NetInternals page. Click the Clear Host Cache in this page. After clearing, relaunch Chrome browser for it to take effect. Next, let's move to Clear DNS Cache on Edge browser. Open the Microsoft Edge browser. Type the related URL in Edge in the address bar. Click the Clear Host Cache button in the page. The DNS cache in Edge is cleared now. Then, let's move to Clear DNS Cache on Firefox browser. Open Firefox browser. Type the corresponding URL in Firefox in the address bar. Similarly, click the Clear DNS Cache button in the page. Finally, let's move to Clear DNS Cache on Windows. Right-click on Windows icon and select Command Prompt Admin. Type IP protocol configuration /flushdns command and press Enter key. There will be a prompt of successfully flushed. That's all. Thank you for watching.